This is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are reviewing City set number 60107, and this is called the Fire Ladder Truck, part of the Cities series. And there's back of the box, side of the box. There we go. There's the other side, pictures. Okay, let's look inside the box. There we go. We got spare pieces with a sticker sheet. And we got one chunky manual. There we go. And I think it's is it 78, 72 maybe. 76 steps to get to that. There it is there. There's some advertising of more sets. Page count, or piece count, sorry. Right there. And that's the back of the book. Alright. Let's dig into the minifigs. Let's deal with this guy first. Nice high visibility reflective parts on his clothing, and he's got a, let's take that off his head. Have a look at the back part of his equipment. Let's put him back together. No alternative face print, so that's that's him, and then we get a female firefighter. There we go. That's her equipment, reflective vest, no alternative face print. And then we get a little build. That's a sticker. Okay, and a little tank there with supposedly on fire. And the reason why it's not held down by studs is just put that on. Now this set, that's right, this set has 214 pieces and 2 minifigs, and was released in 2016. So if you can see, got a stud shooter as a hose, so you put the blue studs on there and you just flick and knock that off, and the fire is out, supposedly. Alright, so this is the truck here. Get the shovel. Alright, there's no doors, so if you want to put the guys in there, you open that up. You got a power saw in there, some tools in there. You got a shovel there. That's really it. And yes, you got a ladder that goes up, fully extends. You want it's probably about there. So yeah, that's that. Get a little compartment in there, all the blue studs. There's the front, PN, there's the designer, initials of the designer. PN on the back, there we go, that spins right around. Nice tiles there, regular smooth. But yeah, pretty much everything's sticker. Okay, sticker, 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 and sticker on the other side. But apart from that, yeah, it's a good build. It's a nice truck. Definitely, it complements your Lego City. So, as well as the other, they did a release of I think it was a truck just a year ago or so, last year, the year before, and it looked very similar. However, it is slightly different. It came with a hose, you know, the one with the hose coming out here, and a fire hydrant. So that's slightly different because it's got a roller door there, compartment on both sides. So it looks similar, but it is different. Alright. Anyway, guys, that's the fire truck. Sorry, losing my voice. 60107 and 214 pieces and 2 minifigs, and that's it. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, catch you later, bye.